First, we're starting with the supplies. I'm using the square archery and olive journal, some stickers and washi tapes from Monthly Kids, and for colors I went with zebra mindliners. Be sure to check the blog post, the link will be in the description, to get more details on creating a spread like that. And be sure to use my affiliate code Masha10, that will give you 10% off your next archery and olive purchase. So this is just a fun little idea for a little collection you can create in your bullet journal. And this is just a list of kind of your favorite hot drinks. With weather getting colder, I felt like I wanted to have a list of cozy drinks that I enjoy because, well, I get used to drinking the same things every day, and I feel like I often miss out on some of my favorites unless I remind myself to actually make time and make these special drinks. So that's where this idea came from. And it's actually a super fast and fun page to create as long as you kind of do all the prep work. And again, I'll guide you towards the blog post, the link in the description, to check out all my recommendations on how to plan out a spread, what to include, and some doodling tutorials, as well as a free printable of hot drinks list, which you can use in your bullet journal without actually spending so much time creating a page. Well, that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. And be sure to tag me at Masha Plants on Instagram and Archer and Olive at Archer and Olive if you want to recreate this page and share it with us. Hope you enjoyed this video. And again, be sure to check out the blog post for some more details and of course, some freebies and tutorials.